My name is Mac, and I am going to teach you how to create a website with this video. We're going to do a lot of different things. I'm going to walk you through getting a domain name. I'm going to help you figure out how you can register your domain name with the company that's creating your website. We can go through some of the design aspects of creating the website. I can kind of show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. With today's technology, you should be able to have a website up and running in under an hour, depending on how detailed you want to make it. I'm a firm believer in websites. I think everybody should have a website nowadays. So hopefully this tutorial will kind of teach you all that you need to know about it. After we have the website up and running, I'm going to kind of walk you through some of the secrets to getting your website to rank higher in Google. I spent months of my time researching, watching other people's videos, kind of figuring this stuff out. So I've really condensed these series of a couple of videos for you guys. So I should be able to walk you through everything from getting it started to creating it to generating some backlinks, getting indexed from Google, those type of things to really try to get you ranking higher in the organic searches. Alright, so here we go. Let's see, from this website, or from this video, I've put a link in the upper corner of the video. You can link to my website. I am a big fan of homestead websites. I think they're very easy to use. They take care of most of the technical stuff for you, so you don't have to actually worry about all the headaches. You can kind of have fun, play around with your website, really make it work for you, and let them worry about the hassle. Let's see, Homestead has a variety of different products. Some of them are very expensive, some of them are very inexpensive. I personally recommend the cheapest one, which is $4.99. In order to ensure that you get to that product, go ahead and link to my website. From my website you can click Business Owners, and from Business Owners we go down here to Website Services, How to Make Your Own Website. Click that. I kind of explain what I'm talking about in this video a bit here in the text, but you can also just use this video as opposed to reading. Once you're on this page, go ahead and click this affiliate link. This will take you to Homestead.
How do you take?
It's been pretty slow. There we go. So now that you're at Homestead, it's very easy. Just go ahead and click $4.99 a month or try it free. Get registered and get started. And what will happen is you'll now have a Homestead account and you'll have the proper product, and then you can start building your website. Now you build your website in a program like the one I have here. This is called a Site Builder. It's Homestead's product. It's pretty cool actually. What you do, these are the pages we've got up here: Index, Colorado, Business Owners, About, and Contact. It's a simple 5-page website. That should be plenty for most of you. If you need more than 5 pages, you can purchase 10 more pages for $2 more a month. So that's pretty inexpensive. I can kind of show you a bit about changing the pages here. Once you actually get your page, I've got quite a bit done. Yours will obviously be more of a blank kind of canvas that you can kind of make however you want. What I did first is I chose my template, and you'll do that as you're registering your account and creating the website. My business is really about bringing local consumers and local businesses together. So as you can see, this is the template I chose. We've got the businesses here, the skyscrapers, and the consumers here. Now if you're a bakery, that could be a totally different story. You might want to choose a background that has different breads and grains and whatnot. The nice thing about Homestead is they have over 2,000 templates for you to choose from. So you can really make your website look professional. You can make it look like it's a background that really caters to your niche. So that's a neat feature about Homestead. After that, you have what's called your logo box here. And if I click mine, it highlights. My logo is transparent, so you can't tell. But anyways, you click your logo box, and you come over here, and you can click Browse. And what you can do with that is then open up your files on your computer. You can find all sorts of different images, and all you need to do is find it, upload it, hit OK, and your logo or that image will now be in that corner, unified throughout all your pages, okay, because that's your logo box. Standard photos, if I were to come up here and click Image, same story, you pick your image or whatever, that's not going to go onto all your pages because that's just a photo. But because it is your logo, that's going to go, which is a good thing, to all the pages. After you get this part done, it's pretty much like operating a Word document. I'll go to the contact page here because there's less stuff, so it'll be easy to play around with. If I want to add text, I come up to the corner here, right, it says text. I click that, I'll get a text box here. See, we can drag it around, we can make it bigger, smaller, however we want. We can type anything we want here. We can come over to this. This is kind of our toolbar, like Word would have. We can make it bigger, we can make it bold, we can underline it. We can change the font, make it that look like that. We can do whatever we want. If we want to center it in this box, we can do it over here. If we want to change the color of the font, we can make it purple. It's pretty easy. So that's kind of what I mean when I say it's a lot like a Word document as far as putting the literature on your website. Obviously, Homestead has a bunch of different products for you, which make it pretty cool to make a neat looking website. If we go under content, you can see you can have scrolling text, so text is actually moving. You can add images. You can add some visual effects to your images to make them look kind of neat. You can do what's called a mouse over effect, where the cursor moves over the image or whatever it might be. It does something. It might glow or it might pop out or something. Photo galleries. If you want music, we can add sound files. If you want to add a YouTube video, you just click that. Here's our YouTube video. We go over here and we add the URL. So just type it in. Go to the browser or find your YouTube video and take the URL, paste it in there, and that video will run. You have the option of making that video play automatically or having a play button on it, so people have to choose to listen to it. What else? There's HTML boxes. This is neat for, I don't know how advanced you are with online stuff, but HTML is code, and if you're a bit more advanced and you'd like to add custom videos or different things, here's your standard HTML box. You just come over here. Some of you might want to create a custom video. And what you can do with a custom video is, put pictures of your business or text or whatnot. I'd recommend slide.com. It's free to do it there. If you decide to do it, they'll give you an HTML code. All you need to do is copy and paste it in this box, and you can have a video running on your website. Let's see. If we come over here, so that's content. If we come to design and links, these are, if you want to have special looking links like circles, stars, whatnot, borders, dividers, if you want another logo somewhere. I don't actually use much of this stuff on my own website. I do use a lot of communication. I think communication is nice. If we want to have a multiple line text box, so something for people to fill out on our website, maybe we'll say leave us an email and whatever. We put in a box like this. We can put it wherever we want. We can put some basic text in there that says, drop us a line. Now we come down here and we go to the submit button and we put it right down here. Okay, so now in real life when people are on our website after we publish this, they can write something in here, they hit submit. That will actually go to your email address automatically once you're registered with Homestead. So that's kind of a nice feature. Let's see. We've got web polls. I use a lot of web polls. I like them a lot. I actually just reset mine yesterday, which was not a good idea. I should have left them up for you guys. But they're pretty easy to do. What you do is you go up to the communication, go to web poll, click that, and then they open up like this. You can change the way they look if you'd like. But anyways, then you come over to this box, you write your questions, or you write your question up here in this top piece. Then you write your answers, and each time you space down, that will make a new answer. You can have as many as you'd like. For mine, there's no actual correct answer. It's more of an opinion poll. If you have a correct answer, you list it there. And you can have polls, which people kind of like. They're kind of fun to have on websites. You can have basic email me buttons. One feature that I highly recommend is the social networking feature. You click that, and with that, you can create your basic Facebook logos, your MySpace logos, Twitter logos. It'll sync it up to it for you. So, let's see here. Here you see mine. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, follow us on MySpace. So those are actually linked to my account. If I click on it, you'll see over in this menu here, basically it needs, you add your account there, and that will take care of all that work for you. I'm going to have to phase this video out, and I will start another one here in a minute, but we are limited to 10 minutes per video. So look for part 2 here in a moment.